Anak, mag-aaral kang mabuti ha para sa future mo.
Makailan ka babalik?
Babalik ako, pangako. Mag-iingat ka, anak.
Ma'am, aalis na po tayo.
Sige po, sandali lang. Anak, naiingat kayo ba?
Follow me.
Yes, sir. Anak, miss na kita. Kakayanin ko to, Hina.
Why is this dirty? I told you to clean properly.
Sorry po, ulitin ko po.
No excuses. Do it again.
Pasensya na po.
Not good enough.
Kakayanin ko para sa pamilya ko. Pasensya na, anak, ito lang kaya ni Mama. Para sa ko lahat. Sari ko po sinahaya.
Clean it now. Don't make mistakes again.
Opo, pasensya na po.
What did you do? This is expensive. Sorry po, you will pay for this. So careless.
Ay, siya na po, bes.
Wala kang silbi.
Stop! That's enough! Hindi ka hayop para tratuhin ng ganyan, Tay. I'm your mother-in-law. No one lasts as a helper here if you treat them like that. Hindi ko sinasadya na. No excuses. Respect is everything. Don't worry, you're safe now. Jane, make sure the living room is tidy, okay? Opo, ma'am. Salamat po. See, treat her well. She's part of this home now. Salamat po, pangako. Gagawin ko ang lahat ng maayos.
Ma, business ka na naghahanap.
Nag-i-atay ka pala. Bukas magpapadala ako ng pera para sa inyo to.
This is air traffic control. You're cleared for takeoff.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
Ma, andito ka na!
Salamat, anak. Salamat, anak. Salamat, anak. Yung sulit natin.